Okay.
Hi, I just had the guys over here installing Windows from Zen, and they've done such a wonderful job doing the installation, and it was such an easy process. I think I found them through Angie's list. I got the name and called them up and checked out their ratings, and everything was 4 or 5 stars, and everyone had such good things to say about Zen Windows, and now I'm finding out how true it is. They really are. And what has really surprised me is the outside. The windows look even better than I thought. They covered up a lot of imperfections in my frames, and they just look beautiful. I'm so thrilled and happy, and they've done a fantastic job. Thank you.